Good morning, kids. Welcome to Melu Classroom. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Yes, but before that I'll teach you a song. Yes, children. So now, if due to COVID, we used to maintain ourselves clean and hygiene, right? So now what we'll do is we will learn a song that is hand wash song. Yes, children. So we should wash our hands frequently, right? So we should wash our hands neatly so that we will be free from germs, right? So shall we start? Yes. Tops and bottoms, in between, in between. Scrub them all together, scrub them all together. Now it's clean, squeaky clean. Yes, children, this is the way we should wash our hands, right? Shall we sing it again? Yes. Tops and bottoms, in between, in between. Scrub them all together, scrub them all together. Now it's clean, squeaky clean. Yay! So, we have learned the hand wash song today. Yes, so you have to sing this song while washing your hands. Yes, you'll sing and wash your hands, right? Yes. Very good. So, let's get into today's session. Children, today we are going to learn a new shape. Yes, children. So, already we have learned few shapes. Yes. So, shall we recall what shapes we have learned till now? Yes. We have learned a shape that is circle. Yes. This is a circle. And we have also learned another shape that is a square. Yes. So, this is a square. We have learnt a shape that is circle. And we have also learnt another shape that is square. Yes. So today we are going to learn a new shape that is triangle. Yes. What is the shape we are going to learn today? Triangle. Repeat it, children. Triangle. Yes. So, and you want to know how does a triangle look like? Yes, children? Yes. For that, you need to close your eyes. Then I'll show you how it looks. Yes? Yes, ready, children? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yes. Look has come to see you all. See you all. See you all. Look has come to see you all. Triangle has come. Hey, here is a triangle. Yes, children, what is this? Triangle. Say hi to triangle. Hi. Yes. So, this is a triangle. And today we are going to learn about this new shape called triangle. So, children, triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Yes, children. So, triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So, children, these are the sides of the triangle. Yes, children. These are the sides of the triangle and these are the corners. So, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3. So, how many sides are there? 3 sides. So, how many sides are there? 3 sides. And now, let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3. So, how many corners are there? 3 corners. So, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So children, now let's sing a song on triangle. Yes? Triangle, triangle, triangle and say, count the corners, count the sides, count them 1, 2, 3. Triangle, triangle, triangle and say, count the corners, count the sides, count them 1, 2, 3. Yes children, did you all enjoy singing the song of triangle? Yes. So now we see triangles everywhere around us. Yes children. So I am going to show you few objects. Yes. Few flashcards where we can find triangles around us. Are you ready? Yes. So children, first I am going to show you this. What are these children? Mountains. Very good. And did you notice, did you observe children, what is the shape of mountains? Yes. What is the shape of mountains here? Triangle in shape. Very good. Yes. And now I have bought a birthday hat. What is this? Birthday hat, right? So, and what is the shape of the birthday hat children? Triangle. Yes, it has 3 sides. And now here, what is this? Our favorite juicy watermelon. Yes, it's a fruit, right? So we all love to eat watermelon, right? So this is the slice of watermelon. Yes, watermelon slice. And did you notice what is its shape? Triangle. Yes. And children, I have bought a flag. What is this? Flag, right? And see here, the flag is also in triangle shape. And the flag has also triangle in shape. And the flag is also in triangle shape. And yay! What is this? This is an ice cream, right? And children, have you ever noticed the cone ice cream we eat, right? This is a cone ice cream. And what is the shape of the cone? Yay! Triangle in shape. Yes, very good. Now, I'll show you. What is this? This is a pizza slice. Yes. So, what is its shape? Triangle. Very good. And children, I have bought the pizza slice for you. And now, here is the Christmas tree. Yes, what is this? Christmas tree. And did you notice? It's also in triangle in shape. It is also in the shape of a triangle. And children, this you can see at your home. Yes, if you open your wardrobes and see, Mama will hang the clothes to it, right? It's a hanger, clothes hanger, right? So, we hang our clothes to this, right? And children, what is the shape of the hanger? Well done. Triangle in shape. Very good. What is this? Yes, it's a road sign, right? And where did you find this, children? We find it on the roads. Yes, very good. And children, what is its shape? Triangle. Very good. And finally, this is the house. And children, where did you find triangle here? Yes, here is the triangle. Yes, children. So, the shape of the rooftop of the house is a triangle. Yes. So, the rooftop is in triangle shape. So, the rooftop has a triangle shape. Well done. And children, by this, what did we understand? Triangles are very simple and we find them everywhere around us. Yes, and it's your turn now. You need to identify the things which are in the triangle shape at your home and around you. Yes, very good. So we have learned many things about triangle. Now we will sing a song on triangle. This shape has three sides, three sides, three sides. This shape has three sides, it has three corners too. This shape is called a triangle, triangle, triangle. This shape is called a triangle. I just want to tell you. Hey! So, we all enjoyed singing this song on triangle. Yes? So, let's do few activities which are in our Melo books. Yes? So, shall we go back to the book?
Yes!
So, children, let's do an activity of tracing triangles. Yes? So, what are these? In which shape they are, children? Yes, triangle. And we will practice to trace a triangle. Yes, children. And before that, we will see how many sides and corners are there here. Yes. So, let's start counting its sides. 1, 2, 3. So, how many sides are there? 3 sides. Yes. So, now let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3. So, how many corners are there? 3 corners. I will show you the corners. 1, 2, 3. These are the corners. Yes, children. So, how many corners are there? 3 corners. So, it's a triangle. Now, let's trace the triangle. We'll start from here. Trace 2, 3. Yes, we'll trace this here also. We'll trace this triangle also. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So, children, how many triangles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are there and we have traced all the 4 triangles. Yes. Now, let's do another activity. Children, it's time to do hands-on activity. Yes. So, let's do an activity using popsicles. Yes, children. So, I have bought few popsicles for you. Children, here we have few popsicles. Let's count. So, I have taken 3 popsicles. See, 1, 2, 3. So, I took 3 popsicles and using these we will make a triangle. So, are you ready? So, triangle has 3 sides. That's the reason I have taken 3 popsicles. Yes. So, first we need to place like this one side. Triangle. Yes, children. So, I made triangle. So, we learned to make a triangle using popsicles. So, now let's make another triangle using these sticks. Yes, children. I have also taken using which we will make another triangle. Yes, children. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we'll place one side, another side, and another side. Yay! So, this is a triangle. So, using this, so children, we can make a triangle using popsicles and sticks. And we can also try this activity to make a triangle using straws and earbuds also. So, you also practice doing this activity at your home. So, children, now we will do an activity using these triangles and make a decorative piece. Yes children, so we all love to decorate our home, right? So using these triangle we will make a decorative piece and hang them on in any corner of our house or table and decorate beautifully. Yes, so we call them as decorative streamers or decorative banners. So now we will try making these decorative banners using these triangles. So for this I have taken few color papers and cut them in the shapes of the triangles. Yes children, all are in the triangle shape. Yes, so now we will paste all these triangles to a string and let's make the decorative piece. So children, I have used all these colorful triangles and pasted them to a string. Yes, and had made this decorative piece. Yes, decorative banners or streamers, whatever you call. But the thing is, we have made a decorative piece with all the triangles and we can hang them in any corner of our room. So you also try making this decorative piece with triangles and hang them in your home. Yes, so children, we have done many activities, right, with triangles and had lots of fun, right children? Now we will do another activity, that is we will make a magic fish. Yes, magic fish using triangles. Now let's make a magic fish using triangles. For this I have taken few charts and I have cut them in the shape of a triangle. So I took triangles of different sizes. Yes children, I took 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 triangles of different size and we need one googly eye. Yes children, so now we will make a magic fish. So first we will place this triangle here. Yes children, and then now we'll take another triangle and paste it like this. Then we will make a tail. We'll put a tail to the fish and then a fin. And at last we will place this googly eye. So here is my fish children. So I have used all the triangles here, yes, to make my magic fish and I have pasted one googly eye here. So this is my magic fish with different colorful triangles. You also practice making this magic fish at your home. So children, we have learned a new shape triangle today, right? And had lots of fun with triangles. So you also practice doing all these activities at your home with your parents and have fun and masti, right? So that's all for today's session. See you later.
Goodbye, teacher.